Hello there, my name's Miles Pitcher. Today I'm going to share with you a little information about FHA loans, condos, and a cool feature called a spot approval. I've been in the business for 22 years. I own a company called Superior Lending, and I'm excited to share this with you. So a spot approval, what is this? It basically says that we are going to take an individual condo unit and get it approved with FHA. In the past, we used to have the whole project needing an FHA approval. And in the past, you may have heard that FHA and condos really don't mix. Well, with this change, the spot approval really makes it feasible for us to do it. So right now in the country, there are about 6.5% of all the condo projects that have an FHA approval for their whole project. So that leaves a lot of FHA loans out there, or condos that need to be able to do FHA loans. So like I mentioned, in the recent years, FHA has made, or HUD has made this change to allow us to do these spot approvals. And it really creates a spot for us to be able to have some better affordability for our clients. This is fabulous for first-time home buyers because there's low down payment. And on one of my other videos, I'll post a link for it. You'll be able to see that FHA has reduced their mortgage insurance premium recently. That has helped improve even more the affordability. A lot of people love condos because there's amenities that come with them: exercise room, tennis courts, pickleball courts, pools, all those good things. And then the other thing is they make for a great first home. And then if you want to convert it to a rental down the road, that's another great reason. FHA is totally cool with you buying a home, primary residence, living in it, in this condo, and then converting it to a rental down the road. Also, there are those who just don't like doing yard work, and condos are great for that. So getting this spot approval, let me share with you some of the criteria. Not every condo is going to work for this, but this is where we're the expert and we can help you on this. So if you have a condo and it says not FHA approved, don't always believe that. Dig into it a little bit. Let us look at it and see if we can find a way to get it approved, a spot approval done on it. So some of the criteria are this: that if the commercial space is greater than 49%, then it won't work. If there's more than 50% of the units occupied by renters, that's not going to work. They also want to see that there isn't a large percentage of FHA concentrated mortgages in there. And then they'll look at the whole HOA, the members of the project, and see if there's more than 15% of the accounts delinquent. Some other common problems we run into when we're doing and evaluating a spot approval, and this is not a complete list, but these are some of the common ones. So the certificate of occupancy has to have been issued over 1 year or more on the project. It has to be at least 5 units or more. No manufactured houses, no houseboats, no timeshares, no fractional ownerships. The HOA, they'll look at it and make sure it shows stability, financial stability. Some of those things that they look at will be seen if they have sufficient reserves of 10% or more. There's no litigation going on currently. Commonly, we will see sometimes defects in the buildings that from the builder developer, and the HOA is in litigation with the builder developer on some of those, maybe a foundation issue or a roof issue or something like that. We can't have any litigation going on. And then, of course, there's details on what insurance coverage has to be put in place. The HOA also needs to be handed over to the unit owners, not controlled or run by the developer builder. So if you are looking at these condos and you're like, I would love to own this condo, but it says I can't do an FHA loan on it, come talk to us. We're the experts on this. We can help you see if we can get a spot approval on it. It is really actually quite a fast process. We're doing a bunch of these right now. Here's my contact info. We're always happy to help. Thank you.